We are programming the SensaMist S150 Diffuser for 24-hour operation. To do this, we want to first program the current day and current time. This is a 24-hour clock, so keep that in mind as you're programming all aspects of the S150 Diffuser. First, we're going to press set, and you'll see the hours start blinking. We're going to set it for 8 a.m., so use the up and down buttons to set the hours. So it's set on 8, press set again. We'll see the minutes start blinking, so again use the up and down arrows to set the minutes. So now it's set for 8 a.m. Press set again, and we'll see the little line at the top under one of the days of the week, and you're going to use the up and down arrows to pick your current day of the week. Make sure it's your current day. So we're going to have it here set for Wednesday. You see the little line blinking under Wednesday. Press set again, and the current time is set. So now for 24-hour operation, we're going to program our event on period. So press the mode button, and this will be when your diffuser starts working. So for 24-hour operation, we're always going to want that on period to always be 100 hours. So we're going to use the up and down arrows to program the hours to 0. Press set. Use the up and down arrows to change the minutes. We're going to want that at 00. That's very important for 24-hour operation. Press set again, and we're going to change the days of the week. For 24/7 operation, we're going to want to do Monday through Sunday. So you're going to want to see lines under every day of the week. And here we see the lines blinking under every day of the week. Press set again, and it's set for the start time. Press mode, and we're going to do the event off for the end time. For 24-hour operation, you're going to want to do 23:59. So we press the up and down arrows till we get 23. See 23 blinking there. Press set again, and we'll see the minutes blinking. We want to do 59, so use the up and down arrows to adjust that. We see 23:59 here. Press set again, and you don't have to do the days of the week anymore because you already did that during the event on period. Press mode, and we're going to advance to spray length. This is figured in seconds, so we use the up and down arrows to change the spray length in seconds. So we can go down to 5 or up to 300 seconds. So we're going to go down. We're going to do it for 30 seconds, a 30-second spray. Now for a more intense spray, or for a more intense fragrance, you're going to want to do a longer spray. So we'll go up. Maybe you want it to go for 60 seconds or 1 minute. Again, we're going to do 30 seconds, so we're going to go back down to 30. Press the mode button again, and this is going to be your interval between sprays, or length between sprays. This is again figured in seconds. You're going to use the up and down arrows to adjust that. So we're going to do 120 seconds between sprays, our interval. For a more intense fragrance, you're going to want a shorter interval, so you're going to want to go down. For a less intense fragrance, you're going to want to go up. So we're going to do a 120. Press mode again, and you see event 2. You do not want to put anything in event 2. Mode through, event 3, event 4, and then back to your home screen. For 24-hour operation, it's very important that you do not put anything in event 2, event 3, or event 4. Now the S150 is programmed for 24-hour operation, Monday through Sunday, 100 hours to 23:59, and that's how you program the S150 to